Hey guys, in this video I'll share with you an application using which you can make some cool and interesting text animation for your videos in just one click, and that too completely free. This application is called as CapCut. The link of the application will be given in description box. You can download the application from there. Now if you're watching this video from India, then you need a VPN to use this application. Simply go to Play Store and search for a free VPN and install the VPN and just connect it to any server. Once you have connected the VPN to a server, then go to the CapCut application and open the application. As soon as you open the application, you get an interface like this. Okay, so first click on the plus option here, and then from gallery add this green image. You can make your own green image using Pixellab, or you can download this same image from description box. After adding the green image, click on the text option to add your text. Now once you have added the text, to change the font, click on the style option, and then from here you can apply a font. Now in this case I will go with this font. It is pretty simple and clean. Now to add an animation to the text, click on the animation option, and from here you can apply in animation, out animation, or a in between animation. In this case I will go with an in animation. As you can see, there are different kinds of animations available here. Let me just show you the animations which I like a lot, like the wave animation, the spiral animation, the flip and jump animation, or the squeeze animation. Basically you can go with all the animations and see which one looks good in your videos. Using this kind of text animation for your videos will definitely improve your video output quality, so make sure to check out this application. Okay, so once you're done with all these things, if you want to change the text again, you can simply go back to the style option and change the text. So after done with this, click on the arrow option at the top, and then you can export the video in a good quality in 1080p and 30 fps is enough. Now the further editing will be done in Kinemaster, so let's move into Kinemaster. Okay, so here I'm in Kinemaster application. This is the background video or image that I have. Let me click on the layer option, and from gallery I will add the text video which I have saved. Then click on the chroma key option to turn on the chroma key, and then you can adjust the position and place it properly. So in this way you can edit the text in CapCut, and then you can finally place all the text in Kinemaster and make the overall video. Using these text animations on your videos with a proper background music, you can definitely come up with a really good video output. So let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video and the process and the techniques that have been shown in this video. So with that being said, I will see you again in my next video. Till then, stay safe and keep creating.